गीता ध्यान श्लोकाः। ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीता गन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिबलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता माहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्मात् विनिसृता। भारतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्भक्त्रात् विनिसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुदः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः।
अस्तु, इदानीं अहम् एतद् यः प्रेषितवान् आसीन् मया, अहमिदानीं स्क्रीन् शेर् करिष्यामि। Sorry, why it is not happening? Yeah, इदानीम् आगच्छति। So the file which I sent yesterday, the first page is like this: 1.1 to 1.3, I mean 2.3, one group, then 3.3 to 7.3, another group, and then another one line here, 1.1 to 1.3. Here, the left side, 1.1 in the Sambodhan. This is the Sambodhan Vibhakti at the bottom. There I have given 1.1 gray color, not in the first one. So the reason is some words, they will have some, some special rules which are applied for 1.1 are not applicable here. Okay, so like that, then we will go to the second page. Yeah, is it visible? I mean, the font size, or shall I zoom?
It's visible.
Okay, so here, like gachat and ending in at pratyaya, that is, some people know that this is shatru pratyaya in the words. Then there is vat, and the border of the two, I have given bhavat 1 and bhavat 2. So one bhavat is at pratyayanta with bhu dhatu, whereas another bhavat is vat pratyayanta with some, I mean, let us not go into the breakup of this one. So these two will have different forms, okay? And then there are mat pratyayanta. So normally this from at, vat and mat, though I have indicated here pullingas, I mean, it is a slightly misnomer in the sense they are all visheshanas. They can be in all the three vibhaktis. Like say, gachat is the visheshan of one man who is going. I mean, not man, something. But if it is pullinga, it will form. I mean, it will use the rule number. I mean, table number 2. At pratyanda, gachan, gacchantau, gacchanta, and all that. Same way, the bhavat here, the last one in at group, if it is at pratyanda, that is shatru with bhu dhatu, it will be like this: gachan, gacchantau, so bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantah. But if it is the bhavat with vat pratyanda, it will be like this: vat pratyaya bhagavan, bhagavantau, so bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantah, and all that. Similarly, mat pratyanda, shrimat, so pullingi, shriman, shrimantau, shrimantaha, and all that. Same, these three, at, vat, and mat, if they are in strilingi, you add ti at the end. So, gachan to the prathama vibhakti, gachan, gacchantau, gachantaha. So, gacchanti, gachantyau, gacchantyaha, like nadi. Then, bhagavat will become bhagavati, bhagavatyahu, bhagavatyaha. Buddhimat will become Buddhimatau, Buddhimati, Buddhimatyau, Buddhimatyaha. Mahat will become Mahati, Mahatyau, Mahatyaha, and all that. Okay. Atma, right? There is no Strilinga Shabda. This will be Shreyas. So Shreyasi, Shreyasyau, Shreyasyaha, like Nadi, that's all. Add E to the this one, and then but here in Shatru Pratyaya, the Gachat will not become Gachati, it will become Gachanti. If you remember that much, more than sufficient. And then same these things can also be in Napusakalinga. So for that, we have to use the table number 6. So like Jagat Jagati Jaganti, Gachat Gachati Gachanti, like that. And Tritiya onwards, same rule. Table number 1, there is no difference. Okay. Then Mahat I have given grey color because it is a slightly problematic word. So I have given in table number 2 some special word up to 1.1 to 2.3, and then 3.1 onwards, same problem. I mean, same table number 1. Then these are pure Takaranta words. Marut, end of the word with krut, say karma krut or anything. Vipaschit, Vishwajit, Yudhajit. So here there is no special treatment. Applies table number 1 straight away. In Dakaranta, this one, table number 1, but at table number 4, there is some Saptami Bahuvachan, there is some Dakar will become Takar, Satsu, Surutsu, Vedavitsu. I think Shastravid I have given double. You can add anything here, Karmavid or Puranavid or Gitavid, whatever. Then Jakar, Bhishaj, Vanij. There are only 2 words I could find for it. I mean, there are many words, but for your consumption, only 2 are there. This again, table number 3 and table number 5, uh, where the applicable is there, that will be there. Then pure Nakaranta words, Atman, Mahatman, most of them will follow table number 1 plus table number 3. Table number 2, 1, 2, and 3, wherever the applicable. Only 2 words are slightly problematic. I have given in grey color, Aryaman and Rajan. Mostly they will follow the rules, but there are some extra rules. At this stage, you don't have to bother about the rules. Go to the Shabda Rupavali, get those forms, and just remember. Then there are plenty of in the word ending in. There is nothing, no special treatment. Table number 1 and table number 3.
महोदय एकः सन्देहः अस्ति
हाँ,
you said Aryaman and Rajan are different from others, right?
हाँ,
But
Aryaman
within them
and
are they
Rajan,
same?
they are-
But within them are they same, or they have differences within them as well? Like, say?
No. They are totally different from each other also.
Okay.
Only thing, if you try to apply the rules given in the 2 sheets, you may land into difficulty. That's all. So
Okay.
for this one, in case you come across any word like that, or if you have to tell what is the Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachan of something, or Shashti Vibhakti or Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan of say Rajan, apart from the rules which are given in the table, you may have to have some other rule, but better
Okay.
not going to the rules. Go to the tables which are available ready-made in book form. Like I will show you one book here with me. Shabda Sanskrit Shabda Chandrika. This is the book I have. This gives
Okay.
all the, I mean, not all, the leaders of each category, a majority of them.
अस्तु महोदय.
So like that. But 90 to 95% or even 98% of the Halanta words will follow these two sheets. Don't have to bother much. Okay. One odd word, yes, you have to remember that yes, it is odd. Then, oh, I 1 minute. I showed some book which was it seen this book.
No, it was not very visible because it is you are not sharing it on camera.
I'm sharing this. Okay, after I stop sharing the screen, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now then word in just apply table number 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, 1 and 3. 1 for the all the other vibhaktis and 3 for 1.1. You will get all the forms. Here again, this word pathin is a odd man out. It will follow its own rules. There are no rules. I mean, it has, but it has its own rules. So if you open the book, it will not like if you say Tejaswin, it will be Tejasvi, Tejasvino, Tejasvina, like Shashi, Shashino, Shishina. But Pathin, it will go like Pantha, Panthano, Panthanaha, Panthanam, Panthano, Pathaha, like that. So it has its own rules. Then Sakaranta Pallinga, no special this one. Follow the rules given. Again, there is one word Vidvas. It will not follow the rules of Sakaran. Vidwan, Vidvans, or Vidvansaha. So I have given Greek. Then this Kakaran, Chakaran, Takaran, Dakaran all follow the same rules. There is no special treatment. And I have given at the end that in Pullinga there are ending with these 10 classes. In Strilinga, 6 classes. Napusakalinga, 4 classes. And these arrows are showing that yes, Takaranta word can be Pullinga, can be Napusakalinga, can be Pullinga, Strilinga, or Napusakalinga. The examples are, say, Marut. Marut is a Pullinga Shabda, Sarit is a Strilinga Shabda, and Jagat is a Napusakalinga Shabda, all ending in Takar. But Pullinga and Strilinga, they will go exactly same way, there is no change. Marut, Marutau, Marutaha, Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. But in Napusakalinga Shabda, first two vibhaktis, Prathama and Dvitiya, they have a little bit change in the sense that table number 6, Jagat Jagati Jaganti, Jagat Jagati Jaganti. From third vibhakti onwards, same as other two. But this is just to show that don't go by the ending later to decide the linga of the word. You have to either remember or you have to look into the dictionary. Okay. So now with this, I will share another screen. You're able to see Shrimat Bhavat Shiksharthin.
Yeah, we are
No. Are you able to see Shrimat Bhavat and
able to
Shiksharthin? Huh? So apply the rule in table number 1 and tell me what is Shrimat in Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Shriman.
Shriman. And in Sambodhan Prathama, that rule will not be applied, just Shriman.
Shriman.
Okay, right? Then Bhavat, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Bhavataha.
हाँ, okay. Shiksharthin, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Shiksharthi.
शिक्षार्थी
Shiksharthi. Okay. Now you open your Gita Sopan book, page number 8. Opened.
Ah,
So the first sentence is Shriman Aham Bhavatah Shiksharti Bhavitum Ichchami. What is the meaning? With this, your study of Halanta Shabdas, this sentence should be evident.
yeah.
Who can tell me the meaning?
I would like to become your student.
Yeah, but what about Shriman?
Shriman is addressing to the teacher.
No, yeah, he is addressing to. It is a
Sambodhan.
Sambodhan,
Sambodhan.
which is slightly higher, like hello, sir, something like that. Okay. Then the teacher says, Astu Sudhaman. Now here Sudhaman is what? Which vibhakti and which this one?
Sambodhan.
Sambodhan Prathama.
Sambodhan Pratama Vibhakti.
Huh?
Pratama Vibhakti.
Kim adhyetum ichhasi. What is the meaning?
What you would like to learn.
Learn. Okay. Bhagavad Gitayaha eva adhyayanam kimartham. No, he says Bhagavad Gitam adhyetum ichhami.
I would like to learn Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, but Bhagavad Gitam, what is this? Tell me. Vakrana.
Dutiya Vibhakti.
Huh?
Dvitiya
Shasti.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachan, which vibhakti?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya, and the word is ending in what?
It's
Akaranta Strilinga.
Karanta.
Akaranta Strilinga.
Akaranta Strilinga, Dvitiya vibhakti, ekvachan. Adhyetum. What is this?
Tumun Pratyaya.
Huh?
Tumun Pratyaya.
Yeah, Tuman Pratyaya. Okay, it is avyay.
Okay.
Kami,
Ichhami
Maybe
is dhatu.
which dhatu?
Pratama Vibhakti. Uttama.
Prathama vibhakti.
Uttam
There is a vibhakti here.
Sorry, the Pratham. Ekavachanam. Echam.
Latlakara.
That's
Latlakara.
Uttama Purusha.
Tama Purush.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
What about Bhagavad Gita?
Ishya dhatu, huh?
1 minute. I
Ishya
will
dhatu.
sharing the screen. Then it will be visible to me now. Yes.
It is Ishya dhatu.
Huh.
Then Uttama Purusha Ekvachana.
Uttamam. Very good. Huh?
Latlaka.
Lat lakara. Huh? I mean, this is not in the syllabus. Syllabus will be over if I just pick Halanta Shabda Pulingi. And here also Prathama, I have taught you all the 7 vibhakti, or 8 vibhakti, including some other one.
Sir, what doubt? Bhagavad Gita.
Huh?
Is it a Sasti, Bahuvachan or Ditya? Ekvachan.
Okay. If it is Shashti vibhakti, what is the Pratipadikam? You are perfectly all right. Like Marutam is Marut.
Okay. I think,
No.
I got it now. This is not Halanta Sabda.
It is not Halanda Shabda. Okay.
Okay.
But your doubt is perfectly taken. Like Marutam, Sarit, Saritam, Git, Gitam. It can be. Okay. So,
Pratipadikam is Bhagavad Gita, so it is not Halanta Sabda.
yes, very good. So, it is.
Thank you.
No, tell me the identification of the word. Bhagavad Gita.
Samasa Shabdaha.
Huh?
Bhagavad plus Gita.
Gita, yes. And ending with
Akaranta Strilinga.
Akaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Yeah, Akaranta Strilinga.
And is it Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan like Marutam?
No.
So what?
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ekavachana.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Very good.
Ekvachan.
Ekvachan. Like Balam or Ramam. But this, I mean, by looking at it, yes, one is one can get confused by saying that it is a Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, like Marutam, Saritam, Jagatam. Then Bhagavad Gita Yaha Eva Adhyanam Kimartham. So what is Bhagavad Gita Yaha?
Shashti.
षष्ठी एकवचन
Eva
It's only Avyaya.
Adhyanam
Only.
only. Yeah. Adhyanam.
द्वितीय विभक्ति
Huh?
द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचन
Ditya.
द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचन
Why not Prathama? Just because it is ending in it is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
सः कर्मपद अस्ति महोदय
Huh?
कर्मपद अस्ति
No, it is not Karma
no
Pada.
no 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 it is
एतत् शानच् प्रत्ययः अस्ति वा महोदय?
No. It is not Shanach Pratyaya. Okay. It is totally different.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
It is a
Prathama Vibhakti
Napusakalingi Shabda, Akarant Napusakalingi Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Or Dvitiya, I mean, for Napusakalingi Shabda, let us here, if you want to complete this sentence, then it can be Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Bhagavad Gita Yaha Adhyayanam Kimartham Kartum Ichhasi. It is na Adhyatum Ichhami. So you can ask Bhagavad Gita Yaha Eva Adhyayanam Kimartham Kartum Ichhasi. Then it becomes Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Anyway, so Yadyapi Aham Ekatra Adhikari. So here what is the Pratipadikam?
Adhikarin.
Adhikarin.
Adhikarin. And it will go like Shashi or Guni. Adhikari.
Prathama Ekvachan.
Prathama Ekvachan, yes. And what is the meaning of Ekatra?
At one place.
One place.
One place. I am an officer, Adhikari. Aparatra. In another.
In
Other
other
place.
Samaja Sevi. Api. So the Pratipadikam is Samaja Sevin. Ataha aham Gita-dhyayane asaktiman asmi. So asaktiman is, what is the Pratipadikam?
Asaktimat.
Asaktimat, yes. And then if somebody wants other forms, apply term number 2 and 1. Okay, and whatever the applicable is. Yogina Krishnena Uttam Gitam Bhavan Itat Purvam Adhitavan Va. Very long sentence. Let us dissect each and every word. Yogina. What is the Pratipadikam? Vibhakti and Vachan.
Yogin.
Pratikam is yogin
Yogi.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Tritiya Ekvachan.
Which Vibhakti?
तृतीय
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, okay. Yogina. Very good. Krishnena.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Vachan. Okay.
But Pratipadikam, Krishnena, Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna itself is Pratipadikam. Akaranda Pali. Uktam Gitam. So what is the Pratipadikam Uktam?
Dvitiya. Dvitiya Ekvachan.
वद
Yeah, but Pratipadikam.
वद छात्र वद वद
No.
Vada.
Vada is the dhatu. Ukta is the Pratipadikam.
ओ
Ukta. Ukta.
ओके उक्ता ओके ओके
Ukta means told.
What is told?
Yeah. Gitam. Uktam Gitam. Now these 4 words just concentrate. Yogina Krishnena. So what is the relation between these 2 words?
Visheshna Visheshya.
Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. So Prathama, Pullingi, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekvachan for both of them. Then Uktam Gitam.
Visheshna Visheshya.
Again Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. Visheshan is Ukta and Vishesha is Gita. So Yogina Krishnena Uktam Gitam Bhavan. This Bhavan is in the second category. Vat Pratyayanta. Bhavan means you. Itap Purvam. Itap Purvam means
Before from now. Before.
yeah, before this. I mean before this time. Aditavan va. Now Aditavan again is Tavatu Pratyayanta, but in our category it will be Vat Pratyayanta. Okay, Tavatu is Adit. Adi upasarga E dhatu Tavatu Pratyaya. Aditavan means studied. Now, the entire sentence is no longer self-evident. Yogina Krishnena Uktam Gitam Bhavan Itap Purvam Aditavan Va. Okay. Have you understood each and every word of this sentence?
Yeah.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Yes, Vadadu.
Have you studied,
Ah,
before this, have you studied the Gita
ah,
recited by
ah.
Yogi Krishna?
Very good. Not recited, told by.
Told by, sorry.
Okay, very good. I mean, now the language barrier should vanish. You should understand the sentence in itself. Okay, whichever language you want to understand. Then, आम अन्ये केचन एतस्मिन् विषये उत्साहिनः सुहृदः मम परिचिताः सन्ति. Very long sentence. Let us dissect one by one. Am means, you know, am?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, it is a meaning or your answer that you know. Okay.
Yeah, it's a meaning.
Ubayoho.
Yeah, okay. Anye kechana means, what is kechana?
Somebody.
Yeah.
By somebody.
I mean, some buddies. It is K, kaha, kau, ke, pratama vibhakti, bahuvachan. So, I mean, some people. Anye is another akaranta. No, this one, sarvanam. Anyaha, anyau, anye. Okay. Anye kechana means some other people. Etasmin vishaye. Here also Vishesh and Vishesha bhava. Etasmin and vishaye. Etasmin is etat shabda dakaranta sarvanam pullingi shabda saptami vibhakti ekvachan. Etasmin vishaye. It is a visheshan of vishaya. Etasmin vishaye. In this topic or in this subject, on this topic, utsahinaha srudaha. So what is utsahinaha?
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
Yeah, but what is the pratipadikam?
Utsahin.
Utsahin. Okay, which
Yes,
vibhakti?
Pratama vibhakti is bahuvachan.
And what about Panchami, Shashti, Ekvachan?
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachan.
Huh?
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachan.
Utsahina, utsahino.
Hold on. All are correct. Pratama vibhakti bahuvachan, Ditya vibhakti bahuvachan, Panchami, Shashti vibhakti ekvachan, all are correct. Now we have to go by the context. So utsahina surudaha. Surudaha is surud is friend.
Friend.
Okay, same thing here. Pratama vibhakti bahuvachan, Ditya vibhakti bahuvachan, Panchami, Shashti ekvachan, all are same. So they are Vishesh and Vishesha bhava, utsahi, enthusiastic friends. Okay. Mama parichitaha santi. Mama is asmat shabdasya
Shashti vibhakti pratama
ekvachan.
ekvachan.
Shashti vibhakti ekvachan. Parichitaha santi. Parichitaha. Parichita is akaranta pullinge. प्रथमा बहुवचन रामः रामौ रामाः परिचितः परिचितौ परिचिताः एंड संति अस धातु लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. So मम परिचिताः संति are known to me. So this will decide whether this उत्साहिना सुहृदा are प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन, द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन और पंचमी षष्ठी एकवचन. So what is the democracy? I mean voting which vibhakti?
षष्ठी एकवचन.
I mean here
द्वितीया बहुवचन.
huh?
द्वितीया
See, the thing is you have to look at the next clause. Mama parijitaha santi. Some few other people who are enthusiastic on this topic are my friends.
कर्मपद.
It is not as dhatu is not this one. Okay. They are prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. Teshu ekaha. Now what is teshu?
सप्तमी विभक्ति
हाँ.
पुल्लिंगम
हाँ?
सर्वनाम पदम.
सर्वनाम पदम.
बहुवचन बहुवचन है.
Which सर्वनाम?
पुल्लिंग. सह.
Not saha. सर्वनाम
तेषु.
saha.
दकारांत तद शब्द.
Tad shabda. And pullingi saptami bahuvachan. So what is the meaning?
In them.
Yeah, among
One
them.
among them.
एकः अनुभवशाली वणिक. अनुभवशाली is one who is experienced. Anubhavshali, I mean the pratipadikam will be anubhavshalin. Prathama vibhakti ekvachan will be anubhavshali, like guni. Means one who is experienced. Vanik. Vanik is?
Vanij.
Vanik is a what is a trader.
Merchant.
Trader or shopkeeper.
Yeah.
प्रथमा एकवचन.
Prathama
एकवचन.
Okay. And what is the pratipadikam?
Vanij.
Chakar.
त्रयः कुशलिनः भिषजः. What is it? त्रयः?
Skilled doctors.
Three people.
Three skilled doctors.
Yeah, kushalinah is skilled. And भिषजः is again prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. भिषजौ भिषजः. अन्ये च मम सहोद्योगिनः. उद्योगिन is one who is working. Udyogin,
colleague.
Working together, so colleague. Mama udyogina is my
colleague.
Okay.
षष्ठी एकवचन.
Shashti. No, which Shashti ekvachan?
No, it is बहुवचन.
Asmat.
Prathama vibhakti bahuvachan saha udyoginaha. It can be Shashti vibhakti, Panchami vibhakti ekvachan also. But here it is Prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. But mama is Shashti vibhakti ekvachan. There cannot be Prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. So my colleagues.
Friends, colleagues.
And adhikarinaha. Again,
Officers.
Officer colleagues. Okay. एतादृशः शिक्षार्थिनः निरन्तरं कक्षाम् आगमिष्यन्ति वा? एतादृशः, what is the this one? प्रातिपदिकम?
प्रतिपदिकम एतदृश.
एतादृश, very good. And
प्रथमा बहुवचन.
प्रथमा बहुवचन. And which this one? I mean, how will it go? In the sense, ikarant, akarant,
Etadrisha,
like Rama.
Rama, yeah.
And what is the meaning of etadrusha?
Like this.
Like this. Shiksharthinaha. Again, this one is shiksharthi. The very first sentence, aham bhavata shiksharthi bhavitum ichchami. So shiksharthinaha. Shiksharthi, shiksharthinau, shiksharthinaha. So students. And etadrushaha shiksharthinaha, they are the vishesha and vishesha bhavaha. Both prathama vibhakti.
Mahodaya, Mahodaya, this etadrushaha, so actually it is etadrush pratipadikam and then etadrushaha, etadrushau, etadrushaha. Why it is akaranta?
I'll have to find out from Sanskrit Bharati. Okay.
Okay.
This one is perfectly all right. I will have to send a mail to them. And actually, you are right. Etadrush, etadruk, etadrushau, etadrushaha. And it should not be akarant, it should be akarant only. I'll have to send a mail to Sanskrit Bharati. Okay.
Thank you.
I mean, good. You pointed out. I'll make a note right now itself. Or maybe we have made etadrusha itself as a, but etadrusha, akarant shabda is not there to my knowledge. It is akarant, this one, akarant shabda. Etadrusha shiksha.
No, but Rama,
Pardon?
Rama Shabda is
No,
Rama
no.
Shabda Rama Ramaha.
Yeah, but you know etadrusha akarant shabda. Okay.
But sir, what is the doubt? Actually, I did not get. What was the doubt?
Okay, now I shall go to clear screen. Okay, now I'll type here. I'll go to slightly bigger font. What Krishna Kumar has pointed out is very, very relevant. Sorry. See now here, this is Shakaran, means Halanta Shabda. So this will follow our 2 pages, this one. Whereas this right side, Etadrusha Akaranta Pullingi Shabda like Rama. So here it will be Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, what has been given in the book. Whereas here, Etadrush, Etadrushau, Etadrushaha. So this Bahuvachan will be, I will give you here like this. Whereas here it will be, okay. So his doubt, Krishna Kumar's doubt is, this one is correct or this one is correct. I feel this left is correct and there is a printing mistake in the book. I will have to take up the matter with Sanskrit Bharati. Okay. But in case some remote possibility is that this also is correct, they will reply back. There is nothing wrong. Okay. But I will have to take up this. And thank you, Krishna Kumar ji, for pointing out this. So, etadrushaha shiksharthinaha means the students like this, nirantaram kaksham agamishanti va. Nirantaram, what is it? Nirantaram? Pardon?
Avyaya?
Regularly or I mean continuously. Kaksham agamishanti va? What is the
They
meaning?
will attend class. They will come to the class regularly.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. So either nischayena agamishanti. Nischayena, again it is nischaya is
Surely.
no, I mean akarant pullingi nischaya and nischayena tritiya vibhakti ekvachan. Nischayena agamishanti, surely they will come. Yataha is again avyaya. Yataha means, you know the meaning of yataha?
Because
Because, yes. Mama sarve surudaha, my all friends, sarve surudaha. Survey, what is the form? I mean, tell me the Vyakaran.
Bahuvachanam Pratama Vibhakti.
Prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. And what is the word, original word?
Sarvaha Sarvau Sarve.
Sarvaha, sarvau, sarve. What is the meaning?
All.
All. So, have you heard the word sarvaha?
No.
Huh? No?
No.
You have not heard the word sarvaha, ekavachan, anywhere.
in the usage.
Huh?
Sarve santu sukinaha. Again,
Yeah, that is
third
bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan.
But ekavachan, anybody has heard the word? No? Gita chapter number 15. Sarvasya cham rudhi sannivishto matta smrutir jnanam apohanam cha. So there the word is sarvasya. Now there Lord Krishna, not Satish Kothari, is telling sarva in the ekvachan form. What is the meaning? If sarva means all, what is the point in using it ekvachan? I mean, am I right? Quoting the chapter
Yes.
15, sarvasya chaham hridhi sannivishto matta smrutir jnanam apohanam cha.
It is Sarvasya Mahodaya.
सर्वस्य षष्ठी एकवचन ना षष्ठी विभक्ति but ekavachan, not bahuvachan. So what is the meaning of sarva?
No, it is used as singular, but it means for a group, as a one entity.
No. There is no guru. Yeah.
Group.
There is no sarvanam. Actually, it is sarvesham.
Sarvesham.
I use, by mistake, I also use sarvanam, but it is wrong. Sarvesham is the word. But sarvasya cha aham hridhi sannivishto. Sarvasya is ekvachan. And he is right. Krishna cannot make mistakes.
So this is in which sloka? 15th chapter?
You will find out.
Every, whether it means every, sir?
15th shlokam.
Huh?
15.
15 shloka, 15 chapter.
Each and every Mahodaya.
No, the thing
सर्वे प्रथमा बहुवचन अस्ति वा?
Huh?
सर्वे प्रथमा बहुवचन अस्ति वा?
No, sarva itself is
सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वैः.
sarve, sarvam, sarvo, sarvan, sarve, sarvan, sarvaihi. It goes like any sarva. But what is the meaning of sarva? Used in ekvachanam or dvivachanam. Any idea?
Sir,
द्विवचनं. सर्वं means सर्वैः द्विवचनं.
Huh?
But in
One at a time. Prakash Mohaya, Prakash Mohaya, Bhavan kim uktavan?
Pratham Purush Dvivachan.
What? Sarve?
सर्वैः द्विवचनं सर्वं.
No. Sorry. It is Pullinga Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachan that you take granted. So Bahuvachan is understood. I think there is some echo.
Getting echo.
Somebody is using two devices at a time. Please mute all of you. Your audio should be mute and only one person to talk. So I will give the explanation. Okay. Though the word is used very frequently, in Ekavachan it means in English. English has totally different context. In English, Sarvaha Ekvachan means each. So Sarvasya cha aham hrudi sannivishto means I am there in the heart of each or everybody. Then Sarvo, if you take Dvivachan, it is all the people but grouped together by two. I mean, two people taken at a time. So all the pairs, and survey means all put together in one group. Okay, that is the meaning. I mean, this is what I came to understand by studying this one, because the Sarva Ekvachan is used quite often. Dvivachan is used, I don't know, I have not come across Dvivachan, but it is technically for possible taking pairs, all the pairs, and Ekvachan will be each person. I mean, each member of the group. Okay, right. So that was a little digression. So mama sarve surudaha parishraminaha utsahina gitaanuraginaha cha. Okay, all these words are clear. Tell me if, I mean, these bold letters surudaha parishraminaha utsahina gitaanuraginaha cha, in the context of whatever we have learned halanta shabda, are those words clear?
Mahoday, what is the meaning of Parishramanah?
Parishramin means one who is, I mean, one who puts efforts.
Hardworking.
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 Thank you.
Utsahina, enthusiastic. Gitanuragina is one who love Gita. And all are Pullingi, एक प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन. महान संतोष.
Mahodaya,
Pardon?
that word adhyanam, I have forgotten, is that Lut Pratyaya?
No. Ha, it is Lut Pratyaya, but
Lut, no? Yeah, I had forgotten. Correct. I thought, correct. Thank you.
Ludantam. But right now, at this stage, I'm not going to the Lud and all that because it is out of syllabus.
Okay, I had just forgotten. Thank you.
No problem. Mahan.
Sir, this is
Yes.
Tadrushaha will not go like Sadrushaha.
No, same. That is what his doubt was. See here. Okay, again I'll share the screen. I have to do it twice. I don't know why. See here, this Eta Drushaha is
Sir.
okay, and this Eta Drushaha. So both like go Sadrush.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But his doubt was when it is Shakaranta, why they are given this like Rama, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha.
Whether it is Shakaranta or Karanta, I don't
No, it is has to be like Sadrush, Shakaranta Shabda.
Shakaranta, okay.
No, Mahodaya, one dictionary gives it as an adjective, like eta drisha.
Okay, let me find out. No. Here, now I don't have here. I am using the dictionary which I showed you other day. It is page number 123, and etadrush. It is a shakarant shabda, not akaranta pullinga. Etadrusha, like what is given in the book. Okay, so that is a maybe printing mistake on Sanskrit Bharati. That I'll take up this matter with Sanskrit Bharati. This is the book. Okay, and here let me.
Yes, sir.
I will show you the page number 123 if I can. I mean, I don't know whether it will be visible to you. Let me see. Is the word etadrush on the left side visible? I don't know. I mean, I'm not able to see myself. I will put my finger near here and show to the camera near my finger. I don't know. So it is a shakarant shabda. Okay. So Mahan Santoshaha Jata. Again, Mahan is, I have given it table number 2. And Mahan is the Visheshan of Santoshaha. So Mahan Santoshaha Jataha. Jata is, can somebody tell me Jataha, what is the grammar?
Ta pratyaya.
No pratyanta, very good. Pullinga, Napusakalinga, Strilinga.
Pullinga.
Pullinga, Vibhakti. If you say Pullinga or Strilinga, my next question will be, what is the Vibhakti Vachan?
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Okay, very good. Then Bhavatam Sarvesham Gita Kaksham Prati Swagatam. Bhavatam, what is this?
Shashti Bahuvachana.
Shashti Bahuvachana.
Shashti Bahuvachana.
Yes, which word?
Bhavan.
Bhavat. No, Bhavat is the pratyam. Okay.
Bhavan should.
Yeah, but the Vat pratyanta, not At pratyanta. Okay. Bhavatam Sarvesham Gita Kaksham Prati Swagatam. Astu Mohdaya Punarmilava. So Punarmilava, Punar, forget about that. That is a avyaya. Milava, what is this?
Dvivachana.
Uttama Purusha.
Lot Lakar.
Lot Lakar, very good. And Purush?
Uttama Purusha Dvivachan.
Uttam Purusha Dvivachan, very good. Okay. So like this, I mean, we have to dissect each and every word. And first of all, now let us take this last sentence. I mean, second last. Astu Mahodaya Punarmilava. Here there are 4 words. Astu Mahodaya Punaha Milava. Okay. Now, recall whatever I had told about 3-4 classes back. Astu, Shubhantam or Tingantam? Tingantam. Okay. What is the dhatu?
As dhatu lot lakar.
As dhatu lot lakar. And?
Prathama Ekvachan.
Not Prathama. Prathama Purush.
Prathama Purusha Ekvachan.
Prathama Purush Ekvachan. So now combine all this information and tell me in English what is the meaning. As dhatu lot lakar. Prathama Purush Ekvachan.
Let it be.
Let it be, very good. Okay. Mahodaya. Tinganta or Subanta?
Subanta.
Subanta. Okay. So Subanta means what is the Pratipadikam? Mahodaya itself is Pratipadikam. Okay. And the Vibhakti Vachan, Sambodhana Vibhakti, ek Vachan, like He Rama. Punaha
Avyaya.
Avyaya Shabda.
Avyayam, very good. Milava,
Lot
Lot.
Lakar.
Uttama
Uttama
Purusha.
Vivachana.
Vivachana.
Uttama
Lord.
Vivachana.
that you people are told, but Subanta or Tinganda?
Tiganta.
Tinganda.
Tiganta.
Tiganta.
I mean, I'm just grilling you that each and every word in any text should be read with these kind of a magnifying glass. If the word is Subanta or Tinganta or Avyaya, if it is Subanta, what is the Pratipadikam? What is the Vibhakti? What is Vachanam? Lingam? Then if it is Tinganta, what is the Dhatu? What is the Lakar? What is the Purush and Vachanam? And maybe some Upasargas at sometimes. Okay. So, I mean, you will understand the text by yourself. No need of any translation. Okay. So, we have finished lesson number 2. And here from page number 9 and 10, all these things, I mean, we have already done on the pages that I have circulated, the 2-page document, Halanta Shabdanam Vibhakti Pratyaya. It contains all this. Read and try to understand yourself. And page number 10 contains some crossword kind of thing. You have to identify words. Take it as a homework. And in table, page number 10, question number 2, again same thing. They are given this one, Pratipadikam and Ekvachanam they are given. Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam they have asked you. Apply same rules in all the 2 pages I have given. Same thing will be in page number 11. Okay. There are a lot of this one. Now, the on the this one, page number 11, there is a Subhashitam. Okay. I think most of you must have come across this Subhashit in your Pravesh or Parichay or Shiksha. I think one of the classes has that. Papan nivarayati yo jayata hitaya guhyam niguhati gunan prakatikaroti. Apadgatam jana jahat dadati kale sanmit lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. Have you, I mean, if anybody has not come across, we will dissect this. Okay. So the
Sir, I have not learned.
Okay. Huh? So the first, this one is Papan. Okay. Then, okay, the first, in any shloka when you read, the first step is to break the sandhis or some combination if they are there. So here, though the printed word is Papan Nivarayati, one word, it consists of 2, Papan and Nivarayati. Now, this Papan is again, it can be understood in 2 different ways. Papat Nivarayati. The sandhi is there, Papat and Nivarayati. So Papat means Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, like Ramat, it will be Papat. From the Papas, I mean from the sin, Nivarayati, he prevents us from doing that. Yojayate Hitaya, he or she, whatever it is. I mean, Hitaya is for the good. I mean, he makes us do something good. Okay. Guhyam niguhati. Guhyam is Rajavidya, Rajaguhyam Yoga. Okay. So Guhyam is something secret. Niguhati, he keeps it secret only. It doesn't disclose to, if he knows our secret, he will not disclose to anybody. He'll keep it with himself. I mean, keep it safe. Gunan prakati karoti. Prakati karoti is to, publicize. Gunan, our virtues or our good points, that he will publicize. Then apadgatam. Apadgatam is one who is in difficulty. Okay. Apad is difficulty. Apadgatam is one who has fallen in the difficulty. Apadgatam na jahati. Jahati is to leave. One who is in difficulty, he doesn't leave him. Na jahati. Na tyajati. Dadati kale. Kale means at times. Okay. In times. Dadati, he gives also. If you're in need of something, he'll give also something. All this, that one who prevents you from doing sin, one who puts you for a good cause, one who keeps your secret as secrets, but he publicizes your virtues when he doesn't leave you in your times of difficulty and also helps you when it is required. These are all the Sanmitra Lakshanamidam. This is the Sanmitra, that is a good friend qualities. Lakshana is qualities. This is the quality of good friend. Like this, it is Pravadanti Santaha. The saints say like this. Whatever has been described, the Lakshan of the qualities of a good friend, as described by the Santas, is like this. Okay. So now, based on this, there are some questions at the end of page 11. Then page number 12, that will be of special interest. Here, the in Shabdanta, I have given the table now, ending in. So, Naguni Guninam Vetti Guni Gunishu Matsari Guni cha Gunaragi cha Viralas Saralo Janaha. So, here the first word is a Sandhi, Na Aguni. Aguni Na, like Guninam Vetti. Now, Aguni, that is a Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Agunin, Aguninau, Aguninaha. That is opposite of Guni is Aguni. Guninam Vetti. Guninam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Vetti. Vetti means no, with the Vetti Dhatu. Aguni, Guninam na Vetti. A man who is not Guni, he cannot recognize Guni. Okay. And Guni, Gunishu Matsari. The Guni word here, the second part, is Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. A Guni person. Gunishu Matsari. Again, Matsari is in one who is jealous. So, Guni man is jealous about Gunishu. Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan Gunishu. Others who are Gunis, he is jealous about them. And Guni
Mahodaya.
One who is Guni.
Mahodaya. This Gunishu, this is Saptami Bahuvachana. In the table, one actually shows as Su.
Not table, I'll tell you.
Table number 4 or table number 1?
Table number 4. Okay. So Nakar Lop will happen, then Su will come.
Yes.
Kuni Su.
Yes.
And that Su will change to Shu for some other rule. I mean, that is this one. Like Na will become Na, Sa will become Sha in some cases.
Okay.
Okay. And now Guni and Gunaragi, there are two qualities. One is Guni, one is with virtues or qualities, and Gunaragi. Gunaragi is one who loves gunas, not hates. I mean others. The one who is virtuous himself and who likes or appreciates the virtues of others. Guni cha Gunaragi cha Virala Saralojana. And Saralaha. Saralaha means a straightforward. A straightforward person who himself is Guni and who likes the gunas of others is Viralaha, is very rare to find. Okay. So this is, we have completed lesson number 2. Now any doubts, please come forward. We can also complete lesson number 3, but I don't want to. Okay.
Please repeat this.
Pardon?
Nagune guninam vetti guni gunishu matsari.
Huh.
Gunicha gunaragi cha viralaha saralojana.
Huh.
Please repeat.
Repeat, huh? Okay.
Meaning, please repeat.
Yeah, I am dissecting each and every word again for you. First, we have to break the sandhi. Okay. Here there is only one sandhi here. Na aguni.
No aguni.
First word is sandhi. Na aguni. Na is negation. Aguni means like what is okay.
Who is
one who is not guni, aguni. So aguni guninam na vetti. A man who is not virtuous himself or
will not
recognize a guni.
Recognize. All right.
Vetti. Aguni guninam na vetti. A person who is not guni will not understand the guni, or he will not understand or recognize, or then guni gunishu matsari. One who is guni, he is gunishu matsari. Others guni janaha esham matsari. He is jealous among for those people. Okay. And therefore, one who himself is guni and who is who loves other gunis. Okay, gunaragi means who loves other gunis. And sarala, so like that, straightforward. It doesn't have anything hide, no jealousy, nothing. If he himself is guni, but he appreciates others also. Like straightforward. Saralaha janaha is virala, is very rare. If you find a person who is virtuous, he will not be recognized non-virtuous people, and he himself will be jealous about other people have skills or virtues. So a person who himself is virtuous or skilled and who loves or appreciates the skills of others, a straightforward man like that, very rare to find.
Thank you. Understood. Good.
Sir, one point here. Matsari, the Pratipadikam is Matsarin.
Matsarin, very good. And as I said, this Vat, Mat and In, you add these pratyayas to anything, any Pratipadikam, any noun or Visheshan, quality, it becomes a person having that. Like you can say Matsaravat and Matsaravan, Matsaravanto, Matsaravantaha. Exactly same. Or Matsarin, Matsari, Matsarino, Matsarinaha. Okay. And if it is ending in A, then it is Vat. If it is other than A or A, it is Mat. Like Buddhimat, Buddhiman, or you can say Buddhin. Buddhi, Buddhino, Buddhinaha. And nobody says like that, but grammatically it is possible. Like you take Dhana. So either you can say Dhanavat, so Dhanavan, Dhanavantau, Dhanavantaha, or you can say in pratyay, Dhanin, Dhani, Dhaninau, Dhaninaha, Dhaninam, Dhaninau, Dhaninaha. Both mean the same thing. In Vat and Mat, you add to the some word. The resulting word means a person or object who has that quality.
Yeah. So actually, jealousy is matsar. And who is having it is matsar.
Matsar is jealousy.
Yeah. Okay.
And what is the state of having jealousy?
Matsarya.
Matsarya. Have you heard this? Name Matsarya Bhava Atma Shatakam?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is there. Matsarya Bhava.
Saralo Vyakaranam. Can you please clarify, Mahodaya?
Pardon?
Saralo Jana.
Oh, Saralo. Saralo is a Sandhi actually. That O has nothing. O actually, Visarga has become O. How it has become, we will see later in third Gita Sopan. Sandhi is not to be taught in this, or if time permits, we will take up Sandhi. But actually, it is Viralaha, Saralaha, Janaha. Saralaha has become Saralo because of Sandhi. Okay. And Saralaha is Akaranta Pullingi Shabda Sarala. Like Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Saralaha, Saralau, Saralaha. And Saralaha is straightforward. I mean, straight man, not crooked. Am I clear?
Yes, Mahodaya. Thank you.
Okay. And now on the, I mean, this one will be both lesson 1. Has anybody completed the exercises? I mean, not the one which I gave, which are given in the book. Lesson 1 and lesson 2 you have to do at home. And now I'll stop the recording. We'll finish the class, then we'll open this one for some other discussion. Okay. अथवा अहं प्रभाकर महोदयं पृच्छामि. महोदय, प्रभाकर महोदय.
हरि ओम् महोदय.
आगामी भानुवासरे केषाञ्चन जनानां परीक्षा अस्ति.
भानुवासरे तदनन्तरं महोदय 30 दिनाङ्के एव. आगामि भानुवासरे 23 दिनाङ्के परीक्षा नास्ति.
अद्य 16 दिनाङ्कः. सत्यं.
अग्रिमशनिवासरे कक्षा न भविष्यति गणेश चतुर्थी निमित्तं. परन्तु भानुवासरे शक्यते.
भानुवासरे शक्यते. आगामी शनिवासरे परीक्षा कक्षा नास्ति गणेश चतुर्थी प्रत्यर्थं. परन्तु भानुवासरे तो कक्षा भविष्यति एव. तदनन्तरं भानुवासरे कक्षा भविष्यति वा न इति चर्चां करिष्यामः. अस्तु महोदय.
महोदय एक विषयः अस्ति. अत्र यदा गीतासोपानं प्रथमपुस्तके प्रथमभागपुस्तके एकैकस्य पाठस्य शीर्षिका भगवद्गीतायाः तत्र तथा स्वीकृतं सन्ति. एवमेव अत्रापि सन्ति.
सत्यम्.
उदाहरणार्थम् अस्मिन् पुस्तके तृतीयपाठे आख्याहि मे को भवान्
उग्ररूपो
शीर्षिका 11 अध्यायस्य 31 श्लोकः।
हाँ सत्यं। तदपि वक्तव्यं वा?
वदामः।
हाँ।
तदेव प्रथमपाठे अपि अहं जानामि एते सर्वे भगवद्गीता पुस्तकम् आनयन्ति वा न वा इति, परन्तु गृहे भवति एव
सत्यं।
स्वीकृत्य द्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति। अत्र एतस्य कारणं तु भगवद्गीताया तत्रापि हलन्तशब्दाः सन्ति इति दर्शितमेव एकविषयः, परन्तु तस्मात् पूर्वमेव भवान् दर्शितवान् हलन्तशब्दः। उदाहरणार्थं दशमाध्यायतः भवान् बहूनि उदाहरणानि भवान् दर्शितवान्, तद् भिन्नविषयः, परन्तु एतदपि वयं द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः। शीर्षिका, पाठस्य शीर्षिका। अत्र भवान् भवत् शब्दस्य भवतुमर्हति, तदेव प्रथमपाठस्य कोऽन्यो अस्ति सदृशो मया, सदृशपदस्य प्रयोगः।
सत्यं सत्यं। अस्तु।
तावदेव।
अस्तु महोदय। अस्तु, तर्हि समापयामः वा महोदय?
समापयति चेत् तस्मात् पूर्वम् अस्मिन् गणे द्वे छात्रे ते पुरस्कारं प्राप्तवत्यौ।
सत्यं। तस्य विषये घोषणां करिष्यामः।
जयलक्ष्मी सतीशन् भगिनी, गायत्री शिवकुमार, एतयोः अस्माकं पक्षतः अभिनन्दनानि इति एकवारं वदामः।
सत्यं।
मम पक्षतः अपि
द्वे भगिन्यौ पुरस्कारं प्राप्तवत्यौ निबन्धलेखनस्पर्धायां ते पुरस्कारं प्राप्तवत्यौ। तयोः अभिनन्दनानि। जयलक्ष्मी भगिनी तथा गायत्री भगिनी। गायत्री अद्य न दृश्यते खलु? अस्ति वा? अद्य न आगतवती प्रायः।
जयलक्ष्मी भगिनी, भवती एकवारं वीडियो अड्मिट् करोति वा? जयलक्ष्मी भगिनी, कृपया वीडियो अपि एकवारं अड्मिट् कृत्वा।
सर्वे महोदय।
अभिनन्दनानि भगिनी।
धन्यवादः धन्यवादः।
इदानीं हल्सूर् इदानीं भवत्याः सङ्केतं वयं प्राप्तवन्तः। गृहं प्रति पुस्तकानि अस्माभिः प्रेषयति।
अस्तु
अस्तु, धन्यवादः। अभिनन्दनानि पुनः। अस्तु, तथैव गायत्री भगिनी।
गायत्री अद्य न आगतवती इति दृश्यते।
नास्ति वा?
न
आसीत् इति भगिनी।
उपस्थितेषु न दृश्यते।
मध्ये गतवती प्रातः सा आसीत् गणे।
अस्तु
अस्तु, तामपि सूचयामि।
इदानीं रेकार्डिङ्ग् स्थगयामि, अनन्तरं चर्चां करिष्यामः यदि आवश्यकं चेत्। शान्तिमन्त्रं वदामि। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे
भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।